One thing unique to the OTC Welbee II power source is a feature called constant penetration that compensates for varying tip to work distance during welding. With Welbee II constant penetration mode turned on, as tip to work distance changes, amperage will remain the same. With constant penetration turned off, welding current dropped from 180 to 117 amps as my tip to work distance increased. Constant penetration is turned on by pushing this button on the top right of the Welbee II. With constant penetration turned on, even though my tip to work distance was increasing, welding current stayed very close to 180 amps that the machine was set at.